Well, good morning, everybody. Good morning to you. How is everybody doing today? Sorry I was a couple minutes late here, but that's what happens sometimes. We have things we got to do. Good morning and welcome to the tank. And I'm going to be doing something new today. My friend won't be able to trade for me, so I'm going to be trading on a tablet here. So today I'm going to be trading. Of course, I'm not going to show you my account, but I'm going to be trading right here. Just give me a moment, please. We got to figure out a way to stand this tablet up. It has a little folding thing on the back, but it flips and flops. So I'm going to have to... I see another thing I can do. Hold on. There we go. There we go. Clean this thing off. It looks a little bit ugly. All right. And how are we looking this morning, everybody? Everybody feeling good? Let's see what's going on down here. Got to open up the stream. Just hold on a minute here. Hope you like today's thumbnail. And where did I put... Aha. Camera stand. We're going to have a good day, I think. That after hours action looked very promising. Sure did. All right. So let's start at the very beginning. It's a very good place to start. Good morning. I hope you like my thumbnail today. Oh yeah, they're getting nervous, people. And they should be nervous. They got themselves a tiger by the tail. They had no idea what they had when they shorted this thing. David Chiaverini, you make a big mistake. On May the 15th of 1993, probably the biggest mistake you've ever made in your career. Get our music maker ready. Make sure our guitar is in tune, because we're going to shoot to the moon. We're going to play a tune that shoots the stock to the moon today. We might play 2 or 3 songs today. All right. Hope you guys are ready to rock and roll. Stock and roll. Catfish Tyler here to stock and roll, baby. How do you like that? Maybe that'll make a t-shirt. Let's make sure we're in tune. That's bad. Now, in case you didn't know this, whenever you're tuning an instrument, always lower the note below it and pull it up to it and stop. Never, if you go past it, don't turn your tuner back. Your string will never stay taut if you do that, okay? Tune up to the note, watch the meter move up, and when it gets in the middle, that's when you let off. Never go past it and go, oh, I went too sharp, let me back it off. That won't work. Just a little musician's tip. So I start low. Bingo, I got it. That one's close already. Yep, that one was real close. There we go. A little sharp. So on that sharp one, I want to go lower and then there. Man, that was way out of tune. I don't know how you guys didn't tell me when I was playing this yesterday. It was so out of tune. You should have said, Catfish, stop playing that thing. It sounds horrible. It's out of tune. Well, she's ready for today now. Doesn't that sound good? This is a Washburn guitar. Great resonance, great timbre. Especially when you're doing some Ozzy Osbourne. SoFi every morning running down. No thanks and she turns around. Let's go high. Misery shows again and again how shorts they're all faking, they're throwing out friend. That's SoFi. Oh no, we buy the low, low, low. That's SoFi. Yeah. Oh no, we're making lots of dough, that's SoFi. Yeah, it's a tribute to our friend Ozzy. We're rocking, baby. Stock and roll. Stock and roll, everyone. Oh, that sounds so good. Doesn't it? That's a great way to wake up, I think. I could be wrong, but I don't think so. Good morning, everyone. Yes, we're playing some Ozzy for you. So let me load up this channel here and make sure I got the stream where you can see everything. Sometimes the camera zooms in, you can't see me. So let's see who's... I don't see SoFi here with a commercial here today yet. Yeah, you guys can see. Looks pretty good. Look at that SoFi up in the 2170s. I'd like to probably know, yesterday afternoon, I told everyone I thought you should have some sell orders in at 2176 and 77. I said 2166. Yesterday, you should have some sell orders at 2166, 76, 77, 2184, 86, 87, 88, and 2193, 94, 2197, 98, 99, and 2201, up to 2201. After 2201 and then 2, don't put any orders in until you get to 2206. Then put in 2206, 7, and 8. And that's where I'm going to be selling today. And I'm going to do it right here in front of you because I got a tablet here. My friend is not going to be able to trade for me today. So I'm going to be trading here on a little tablet I have. I'm ready to buy, all right? Now, just so you know, I'm using Charles Schwab Thinkorswim platform, but I do not trade with real money on this. I show people how to trade with real money, but I'm not trading with real money. And I tell that people everybody right out of the gate within the first 5 minutes. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a rockin' stock trader is what I am. I have a channel on Spotify, Apple Music, Google Play. I'm world famous, especially in the Philippines. And if you happen to be in the Philippines, because I know I have listeners there, then thank you for being here with me this morning. If you happen to be from other countries and speak different languages, you're welcome here. If you're a different color, you're welcome here. We have no prejudices against anyone on this channel. And we want the world to unite and everyone to come to the understanding that all of us are human beings and we all deserve equal treatment as such, as members of a family, as a family. You know, think of us as all one big happy family, folks. We could be. We could be. We could all be one big happy family, but there's another dark side out there that doesn't want that. It wants to cause division, separation, get people at odds with each other. It's a dark side. It's a dark mass, folks. There's darkness out there. But I'll say this. If I've got this box right here, and inside this box, I've got a candle or a little flashlight, and I walk into the dark room, and I open up the box, what happens when I open up the box of a little tiny box in a big old huge dark room? When I open the box, all of a sudden, boom, this little box with this little tiny candle flame permeates and lights up the entire space, the area, all of it. Now, let's say the adverse of that were to be, let's say you had this box right here and it was full of darkness, which it is. It's dark in there. Let's see if I come into this big lit up room here, all lit up, and I open up this thing. When I open this box, does everything go dark? No. No, it doesn't. Everything stays lit because light has power over the darkness. I know. So welcome, everyone. I hope you like this type of thinking. I'm here to not just boost your accounts in monetary value if we get lucky, but I'm also here to boost you with other types of enrichment other than monetarily. And I hope to be successful. That's what I strive for in my life. And I think part of the reason that this channel is growing at such a quick rate is not the fact necessarily that we're all making good money, obviously. We have a good group here that keeps each other informed real well about what's going on that we can take advantage of. We can take advantage here of the manipulation that we know is going to happen. Isn't it nice to know that the market is manipulated? You know, a lot of people, they get real upset about that. And a lot of people should have the right to be very upset about that because many people have lost a ton of money off of deception and corruption in the market. And I can tell you right now about one of the largest market deceptions that ever occurred in the history of the stock market. And at the time that it happened, the whole country where it happened, it wasn't in the US, it was in England. The whole country almost collapsed on this one person's deception. His name was Rothschild. And he was in the upper class elite and over in England. He was in the high and mighties. And what he did was he started a rumor, a little, hey, psst, listen, I just wanted you to know I'm selling everything, okay? Shh. This is just you and me, just you and me. Don't say anything, but I'm getting out. Well, here's one of the most affluential people in the country who was known as a financial wizard who had made millions and millions. And all of a sudden, he whispers to his family members and closest friends a little rumor that he's getting out. And let me tell you something, folks. That little whisper traveled quickly and it lit a flame that scared the shit out of everyone. You mean, so Rothschild's what? Yeah, he's getting out. I heard. He told me. He said not to tell anybody else. So don't you tell anyone else. Okay, let's get out. Rothschild's getting out. Okay, got it. I won't tell anybody. Click. Shh. Hey, listen. Rothschild's getting out. Don't tell anybody. Okay. Rothschild's getting out. Bye. Click. Hey, what? Yep. Rothschild. I just heard it. He just told me. And next thing you know, the whole daggone market was getting out of the market in England. And guess who had a ton of cash to buy on the desperate sell-off? Yep. One of the largest scams ever pulled off in the history of the economical world. Rothschild had inside information. His horse and rider arrived back in London from the Battle of Waterloo one day before the King's rider. He grabbed the camera for a Lamar Jackson edit. Lamar Jackson edit. Hello, Salim. Hello, everybody. Salim, Gary Edwards. Hi, friend. How are your family? All well? Oh, gosh. Let me get up here and read everybody's comments. I want to make sure I don't miss any running stocks today. All right, good. L-I-M-N, the N at Wood Knuckles Cove, L-I-M-N. N. Thank you. UAVS, still hot. And UAVS, good. I'm still holding 470 shares of it. That's right. And what I got to do now, I decided to cut my computer off last night. I cut it off, and when I turned it back on, it started this update. It wouldn't even let me not do the update. It automatically just kicked in this update. So let me get logged in here. Just give me a minute. Oh, crubba. Hold on. Okay. Okay, here we go. It says your mobile device is currently running an older operation. Oh, geez. Well, at least I can buy and sell. That's all I care about. All right, let's see what else we got going on here. Hold on, guys. I got to look at what everybody said. Emmanuel, Manny, hey, you called the 2166 on SoFi yesterday, and that's what I woke up to. I sure did. It closed at 2166 last night. The after hours closed, 2166. And by the way, folks, listen, I'm not a financial advisor, okay? I don't hold any kind of degree, and I just been trading a long time. I know what the behaviors of the market makers. And I can't say I always know because they pull one on me all the time, keeping the price 2 cents below me all day long. But that's all right. Hold on a second here. Let me get logged in here. Okay, don't go anywhere, folks. I'm logging in here. All right, let's do a buy order. All right, we're going to get ready to buy here or sell. We're going to see what it does out of the gate. Okay, guys, give me just 1 minute. I've got to get this text message I just got from Thinkorswim so I can log in here. 1 minute, you're going to see the thing spinning like I disconnected or the stream ended, but it didn't. I'll be right back. Oh, I got a thing. I think I can pause this. Hold on.